ONGC Petro Additions Limited, redefining the future. The vision of a mega petrochemical complex turned into reality when an ambitious dream was nurtured by the flagship oil and gas company ONGC to add value to its naphtha by converting it into polymers. ONGC Petro Additions Limited, OPaL, the mega petrochemical complex, was dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 7th March 2017. The plant has a dual feed cracker which produces world-class petrochemicals that are widely accepted in the polymer industry across the globe. The unique dual feed cracker runs on feedstock C2, C3, C4 and naphtha. OPaL has the competitive advantage of consistent supply of these feedstocks committed by ONGC, Dahej and Hazira plant. Continuous supply of naphtha is essential to run the plant in full capacity. Until recently, naphtha was transported from Hazira to Dahej by marine route. This mode of transportation was not only expensive, but it didn't ensure seamless supply of the feedstock naphtha. OPaL needed a safer and dedicated pipeline that would change its story forever. Thus, a 97 kilometers pipeline was envisioned. Presenting the one-of-its-kind project, the Hazira Dahej Naphtha Pipeline. One dedicated pipeline from ONGC Hazira to OPaL Dahej. The Hazira Dahej Naphtha Pipeline project work started in full swing in 2011 by ONGC Hazira. While the determination was strong, the project came to a standstill with roadblocks due to right of use with farmers and commercial issues. In 2017, the project was handed over to OPaL. This moment was pivotal for OPaL. Its completion would take OPaL to newer heights. It meant a future of increased volumes transported at lower costs. Team OPaL took up the challenge, and it was a race against time. The road ahead looked challenging, but OPaL was determined. A team of experts from OPaL brainstormed every detail of the project. Immediate actions were taken. Refurbish all static and rotary equipments lying at Kosamba Yard, dispatch and receiving terminals. Health checkup. Completion and testing of already laid pipeline of approximately 54 kilometers were done by smart pigging, a technology used for the first time in India. The task was challenging as the pipelines were laid in various parts along with optical fiber cable. Reworking and completion of dispatch and receiving terminals. Laying of 43 kilometers of pipeline. Acquisition of land for the sectionalized valve station 2. Taking the pipeline of 2.1 kilometer through Narmada River. Construction of 4 sectionalizing valve stations. It took tremendous effort and persistence from the OPaL team as the Hazira Dahej Naphtha pipeline was meticulously laid through 49 villages, 6 talukas, 2 districts, 53 canals, 37 drains, khadi, 2 railway crossings, the Narmada and Kim River, and along its course 45 roads. The biggest challenge was laying the pipeline through Narmada River. The OPaL team took this challenge and completed the pipeline work of 2.1 kilometers through the Narmada River in a record time of 3.5 months. It was a significant achievement considering the complexities involved in laying a pipeline across a major river. The right of use concerns from farmers and villagers were resolved amicably. Heavy rains this year brought yet new challenges. Work fronts at all the SV stations remained flooded till mid-October. However, unique solutions were adopted to carry out the work during this precarious situation. At every step, meetings with several stakeholders were held, ensuring due diligence and proper planning. It was a constant fight against time, and the OPaL team kept emerging as winners. Today, we can proudly state that this man-made feat is achieved in an environmentally sustainable manner. In fact, it is the safest means of transportation for Naphtha. It took hard work and dedication of the entire OPaL project team to make this possible in the shortest possible time. The Hazira Dahej Naphtha pipeline is a milestone and a game changer for OPaL, as costs will substantially decrease and the plant will run on full capacity, paving the way for numerous growth opportunities. With the successful completion of this project, OPaL inches closer to achieve its vision. The Hazira Dahej Naphtha pipeline is all set to redefine the future of OPaL.